In today's lesson, we'll be talking about Igbo word that starts with the letter A. And we have abotata, abotata, abotata. Abotata in English is carrot. Okay? We have abo. Abo. Abo is armpit in English. Very simple. Just say abo. That's armpit. We have abozo. 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 Abozo is cricket. Okay? We have achara. 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 Just watch my lips. Achara. Achara is bamboo. We also have achicha. 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 Achicha is bread. Okay? You can also say achicha awa. Achicha awa. That is sandwich. Okay? You can also say achicha nduku. Achicha nduku. Achicha nduku. That is French fries. We all love eating French fries, though it's very unhealthy, but we love to eat it. Okay? We also have achicha oka. Achicha oka. Achicha oka. Achicha oka is cereal. Okay? We also have achicha okpo. Achicha okpo. Achicha okpo. Achicha okpo is cookies. We also have achicha uto. Achicha uto. Achicha uto. Achicha uto is cake. Now you see we have various types of achicha and what they mean. Okay? Now we go further. We have afo. Afo. Afo can also be called cake in English language. We also have afo. 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 Afo is year. If you look, these two things here have the same alphabet and the same way we write it, but the tone of the word tells us what you're trying to pronounce. Okay, I'm going to do a general introduction of Igbo language. I hope all of you are going to see this video. I think that video will be dropping before this one or whichever, so you can really understand sometimes how Igbo language can go. And I think we all have this in our various dialects. Sometimes when the tone is going up, it can mean a different thing, and sometimes when the tone is coming down, it can mean entirely different thing, just like we said earlier. Okay, we go further. Please guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do so. Share this video. Even if you're not a YouTuber, share it. Somebody might need it. Let's grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers. It's almost a year I started and I'm yet to hit my goal, but we continue. Okay, we have afoaka. 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 Afoaka is biceps. Biceps. We have afoonu. Afoonu. Afoonu is the beard the men have. Afoonu. Onu is mouth. Okay, and afo, onu is very close to the hair, so just say afoonu. Okay, we have aga. Aga is needle. Needle. That little hole it has that you have to pass straight through. You say aga. Aga. That is needle. Agadi. 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 Agadi is old. When you say somebody is old, agadi, old. Okay? Don't tell somebody you don't have very good relationship with agadi. The person will take it as an insult, please. Agadi is old, We have aba. 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 Aba is color. We have aba. Aba. No, we have aba. Aba. Aba is chain. Aba. We have aba ma agbamakwụkwọ, agbamakwụkwọ. Watch my tongue. We have agbamakwụkwọ. Very long word, right? Just imitate me. Agbamakwụkwọ, agbamakwụkwọ. That is wedding. We have agbọghọ, agbọghọ, agbọghọ. That is young lady. Okay? We have agụ, agụ, agụ. Agụ is leopard or tiger. Agụ. Okay? We have agụba, agụba, agụba. Agụba is shaving razor that you can use to shave your beards or your armpits or your pubic hair. Okay? We have agụiyi, 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 agụiyi. Agụiyi is crocodile. Okay? We have agụụ, agụụ. You see how I stretched it? So when you're hungry, hunger. Agụụ, agụụ, agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. Agụụ, 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 hunger. We have agwa, agwa, agwa. Agwa is beans. You know, the beans you eat. We have agwo. I hate this reptile. Agwo. Agwo. Even mentioning this name is even very annoying and irritating. Agwo. That is snake. We have aha. Aha. Kedu aha ge? Aha. You should be familiar with this particular phrase if you're an old comer on this channel, okay? Aha. That is name. Ahia. 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 That is market. Ahihia. 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 That is grass. Okay? Ahere. 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 That is line. Ahu ekere. Ahu ekere. Ahu ekere. That is peanut or even granite. You know? Ahu ekere. We have aja. Aja. Aja is sand or soil. Aja. 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 Okay? We have abali. 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 Abali is night. Night is abali. We have abede. 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 Abede is alphabet. Alphabet. We have abirika. Or can we just say ogede? Abirika is plantain. Another name for it also in Igbo is ogede. We have aka. Aka is, you know, your hand. Aka. 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 Aka is hand. Akamere. Akamere. Akamere is artificial. When something is artificial, it's akamere, you know. We have akamu. 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 Akamu is pap. Okay? We also have aka okbo. Aka okbo. Your fist. When you want to punch somebody, your fist. Aka okbo. Aka okbo. Aka okbo. So thank you guys. Hope you will be able to understand and learn this. Okay? Usually, you can't be tired of learning words in Igbo language. We call it phrases. These phrases are what we bring together to make sentences. So if you know words if any language you're learning, if you know meaning of each word, if you know different types of words, if you know different types of phrases, single words like this, you can be able to make sentences, or you can be able to understand when people are communicating. Even if you don't understand the whole of the sentence, you can pick one or two things there, and that gives you an idea of what they are talking about. Do you understand? So phrases cannot be overemphasized. Okay, so today's video is just letters that starts with alphabet A, that is A in Igbo. Okay, I'll bring you also letters that starts with alphabet B, that is A, B, B. English say B, Igbo say Be in Igbo language, and so we go. Abeche. C in English, but in Igbo is chi. Chi. Like the video will do. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.